I need to clear the air concerning some things about PERITIA. I want to just say some truths. Some of them I didn't know about them. I just got to know about them recently. People have been asking since that what is the minimum withdrawal for non-affiliate? Hear the truth from me and know peace. Hear the truth from me and just know that this is the very truth. The minimum withdrawal for non-affiliate is $35. It is not $8, it is $35. That's the minimum withdrawal for non-affiliates. And you withdraw once in a month. Unlike affiliates that withdraw Sundays and Wednesdays, non-affiliates withdraw once in a month, and that is the first of every month. So you will now ask yourself, this my non-affiliate thing I'm doing, I just want to be doing tasks on PERITIA. I just want to be doing challenge video, which you don't even know if you'll be chosen. But there's no harm in trying, Who knows? God can be on your side and you might get chosen to win the TikTok challenge or win the Instagram challenge. Now let's go back to the task. The watching and liking of TikTok videos, watching and liking of YouTube videos, watching and liking of Instagram videos. Is it enough? Will I register on PERITIA just to be watching and liking videos and to wait for good 35 days before I get paid? Okay, let me explain something to you. In every week, every Wednesday and every Sunday is affiliates in Nigeria affiliates withdrawal day. Those 2 days, no task will be recorded. Those 2 days, your task will not be added to your PROT balance. And let's say, for instance, for a month of 4 weeks, we have a Sunday and a Wednesday in every week. So for those 4 weeks, we have 8 days. That's 4 Sundays and 4 Wednesdays. So what you're trying to say now is that for a month of 4 weeks, 8 days, your PROT, 8 days, your PROT won't be added to your balance. $8 won't be added to your balance. That's to say you have 22 days left for a month of 30 days, a month of 4 weeks. You have 22 days left. Now you just want to rely on the PROT earnings. In a month, you're getting $22 for PROT. That's a month of 30 days. Let's say the month of 31 days, you get $23 for PROT. You cannot withdraw it. You still have to wait till the next month before you complete your 35 PROT. And you still have to wait till on the 1st before you're able to withdraw. Is that the reason you came to PERITIA? Is that the reason you carry your money to come and register in PERITIA? So you use 2 months to wait to withdraw $35. Meanwhile, your mates are withdrawing $100, $200, $300, $50, $70 every week on PERITIA. Brother, it doesn't make sense. Carry yourself up and start referring. There is more money on referral. You can jump on the TikTok challenge, jump on the Instagram challenge. There is more money on referral. Don't say I did not tell you. Don't say nobody told me. Me, I'm telling you, Coach Trevor is telling you now there's more money in referral. I just hope this motivates you to go and refer. Then if you want to be in my mentorship group, do where to register with my link. If you're not registered with my link, don't come to my DM asking me to put you in my mentorship group. If not, you're going to pay a fee. It's not going to be big, maybe 500 or 1,000 naira, because I'm tired of talking for free. I remember when I did Chasquab, I mentored many people on Chasquab for free. They will register with someone else's link. They will come Coach Favor. I don't understand this. If you are not registering my link on PERITIA, you are coming to my DM to tell me you don't understand this. For you to even have access to my mentorship group, you pay 1,000 naira. I'm serious. So see you.